Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add alt effect on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, if you wanna add alt effect on this video, so you just click on the effect at the bottom and then click a video effect, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see a texture, this one. So you just click on it, and after this you can swipe down until you can see alt effect. In here you can see alt 1, alt 2 and alt 3. You can click the effect that you want, maybe alt 1 like this, and this is the alt 2, this is the alt 3, but in here I want to add alt 1. And after this you can click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the texture, and then for the filter. And after this you can click check icon at the bottom. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video. Finish. So that's how to add alt effect on a CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.